supposed to be. Alright. Red, I'm recording. Alright, I'll see you later. I will. I'm going to be driving like 5 miles an hour. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got a plastic bag over me, rain poncho. There we go. Step 1 complete. Garbage bags make a really handy dandy rain poncho. I'm not going to test it with these waters and trying to race out in front of any of these cars, especially on a wet road. Raindrops really hurt at about 45 miles an hour. They hurt like a B word. My pants are already soaked. Red means I'm recording. Ow. 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 Man, I need some fucking... Oh, excuse my foul language. Let me slam into a hole right here. But I definitely need some riding leather. It'd probably take a lot of the zing away from this rain. Feels more like pebbles, like little rock pellets than rain. They're like the really, really small drops. Actually, some of them are bouncing. They really might be a little hail. There's a strong possibility with that thunder. I'm gonna go a little slower and hopefully get stung less. I don't know if you can hear the echo from my trash bag. And that's what it's like riding at night with me. In the rain. Yes, yes, the rain.